Hello guys, welcome to the channel, and today I'm going to solve this challenge here. I've been seeing people solving this problem using substitution and whatever, but I'm going to solve it without using anything else but just like some basic rules. Okay. Well, let's see. Guys, cubic root here of, I can rewrite this as, this is cubic root as of cubic root of 2 minus 1. Here I can write cubic root of 1, right? Okay, perfect. um there is let's consider this rule here. If I have here a divided by cubic root of a minus cubic root of b, multiplying by the conjugate here, I'm gonna have that this is a times cubic root of a square plus cubic root of ab plus cubic root of b square. Okay, and this multiplied by, divided by cubic root of a minus cubic root of b. If this is the conjugate, we have to divide again by the same thing, cubic root of a square plus cubic root of ab plus cubic root of b square. Okay, perfect. Okay, and we know that this one times this, we know that we can write a minus b equals to cubic root of a minus cubic root of b, right, which multiplies cubic root of a square plus cubic root of ab plus cubic root of b square. So it means that this times this is going to be 8 minus b, right? Now let's apply the same rule now to solve this one here. Okay, I don't want to be rewriting now. Let's write actually. So we're gonna have then that cubic root of 2 minus cubic root of 1. This is gonna be equal, let's write this, we're gonna have then cubic root and of what, let's find the conjugate of this. So we're gonna have then cubic root of 2 minus cubic root of 1, which is 1, right, which will multiply the conjugate of it, which is cubic root of 2 square, which is 4, plus cubic root times cubic root of 2 times cubic root of 1. So we're gonna have here cubic root of 2, right, and then plus, right, 1 square, which is 1. Okay, and now we're gonna divide by the same thing, cubic root of 4 plus cubic root of 2 plus 1. Okay, fine. So this times this is going to be what, 2 minus 1, as we have here. 2 minus 1 is going to be 1, right? So this is going to be something like, we're going to rewrite then as cubic root of 1 divided by cubic root of 2 plus cubic root, 4, 2 plus 1. Okay, now let's look at this, guys. Cubic root of 4 plus cubic root of 2 plus 1. Okay, uh, uh, let's do it actually here. I'm gonna multiply the numerator and the denominator by, I'm gonna multiply by 3 and divide by 3 here. Okay, so I'm gonna have here cubic root of 3 divided by 3, right, cubic root of 2 plus 3, multiplying this by 3, cubic root of 2, here 4, and then here we're gonna have only 3. Now let's pick this one here, guys. Okay, so we're gonna have then that this is going to be cubic root of 3, right, divided by this one here 3. I can rewrite 3, guys. Here we can say that 3 is 2 plus 1. So I'm going to write as 3, right, cubic root of 2 square, right, plus 3 times cubic root of 2 times 1 square, and then 3 is 2 plus 1, right? But I can write this as cubic root of 2 to the power of 2, and 1 is cubic root of 1 to the power of 3, which is still 1. And as you can see here, we have something like a cubed plus 3a squared. Here we can have times 1, right? 3ab, right, plus 3 b 3a b squared plus b to the power of 3. So this is a plus b to the power of 3. So it means like this one here that we multiplied by 3 here and we solved here, this is something, this is going to be what? Cubic root of 2, right? This is going to be cubic root of 2 plus 1 to the power of 3. As simple as it is, right? So now we're going to have, then we're going to separate this cubic root here. We're going to have cubic root of 3 divided by cubic root of 2 plus 1 to the power of 3. So we're going to have cubic root of 3, right, dividing, which now we're going to have cubic root here of 2 plus 1. So guys, again, from here we're going to find the conjugate again. Okay, so this is 3 here, and then this is cubic root of 2 plus 1, and 1 here, remember that we can rewrite 1 as cubic root of 1, right? So this is going to be cubic root of 3, which will multiply. We are applying again this rule here. Okay, so the conjugate of the cubic root, so we're going to have then cubic root of 2 square, right, which is 4, and this time this is a plus, so we're going to have a minus here, minus cubic root of 2, and then this 1 squared is going to be just 1, and then we're going to have here divided this one. Now we're going to have cubic root of 2 plus 1, right, which will multiply cubic root of 4 minus cubic root of 2, and then plus 1, right? This one here, this time we're gonna have 2. The product of this one here is gonna be 2 plus 1, which is gonna be 3, right? So here we're gonna have cubic root of 3, right, times cubic root of 4 minus cubic root of 2, and then plus 1, all divided by 3. So from there we're gonna have then that let me multiply this with all terms here. We're gonna have then cubic root of 2 times 4, because when we have n here, a, and b here, we can say cube like this root here of ab, right? So applying this, we're gonna have this times this, we're gonna have 12 minus cubic root of 6, right, and then plus cubic root of 3, and all divided by 3. But I can rewrite 3 as cubic root of 3 to the power of 3, which is cubic root of 27. So I'm gonna write here cubic root of 27, right? So from here we're gonna have then this one divided by this, right? We're gonna have then cubic root of 12 over cubic root of 27 minus cubic root of 6 over cubic root of 27, and then plus cubic root of 3 divided by cubic root of 27, and then we can rewrite this as cubic root of 12 over 27, and then minus cubic root of 6 over 27, and then plus cubic root of 3 over 27. Okay, so from here guys, let's divide here by 3, simplify by 3. We're gonna have cubic root of 4 divided by 9 minus cubic root of dividing by 3 here, we're gonna have 2 divided by 9, and then plus cubic root, this one divided by 3 is gonna be 1 over 9, right? So from here guys, this is a negative sign here, we can put it inside, right, because we can rewrite this as cubic root of 4 over 9 plus cubic root of, this one goes inside as a negative, So we're gonna have minus 2 over 9, and then um, plus cubic root of 1 over 9. And the problem say that we should find the value of a, b, and c, right? So we have now that cubic root of 2 of cubic root of 2 minus 1 is equal to this. So comparing with our initial problem, right, minus 1, we have cubic root of a plus cubic root of b plus cubic root of c. So comparing, guys, we will have then that a is equal to 4 over 9, right, and b is equals to minus 2 over 9, and c is equals to 1 over 9. Okay, guys, so this is the solution for our problem, and we actually deducted that cubic root of 2 minus 1 can be written as cubic root of 4 over 9 plus cubic root of negative 2 over 9 plus cubic root of 1 over 9. So we didn't need to make a substitution. I hope you enjoyed the video. Please share, comment, and subscribe. See you next video. Bye bye.